Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to Maths class. Today we can discuss about another chapter, fractions and decimals. It is second chapter. Okay. Then what is fraction? What is fraction? Fraction means it can be represented as a part of a whole. Okay, we can represent it as a part of a whole. That is fraction. Then today we can discuss about proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction. Today we discuss proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction. What is proper fraction? First one is proper fraction. First one is proper fraction. Proper fraction means denominator is greater than numerator. Proper fraction means denominator is greater than numerator. Example is 2 by 3, 4 by 6, 7 by 9. In this case, denominator is greater than numerator. This type of fraction is proper fraction. Clear? Okay. Then another one is improper fraction. Improper fraction means numerator is greater than denominator. Numerator is greater than denominator. That means, example, like that. 9 by 5, 10 by 4. The numerator is greater than denominator. This type of fraction is called improper fraction. Clear? Okay. Then another one is mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. In case of mixed fraction, we know improper fraction. Improper fraction, we write so many examples. Then improper fraction can be divided. We get mixed fraction. That means 1, 2 by 3, 3, 4 by 7, like that. Improper fraction can be converted. That means divided. We get mixed fraction. Okay, these are the examples of mixed fraction. Okay. Okay. Then there are so many important questions in the fractions and decimal. Okay. Then question is, first one is, solve 5 minus 2 by 3. These are the first question. Solve 5 minus 2 by 3. In this type of question, the easiest method is five multiplied by 3. That means 5 into 3, 15. 15. The sign is minus another number is 2, 2, all divided by 3. All divided by 3. That means 15 minus 2. 15 minus 2. That is 13. 13 divided 3. 13 divided 3. Okay. 13 divided by 3 is the answer. Then we converted into the mixed fraction. That means 13 divided 3. 13 divided 3. How many times? 13 in 3? No. How many times? 4 into 3 is 12. Is possible. 4 into 3 is 12. Then we subtract. That means 3 minus 2, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. The answer is 4. The remainder is 1 by 3. This is mixed fraction. Okay. This is mixed fraction. The answer is 4, 1 by 3. Clear? Then another one. Three by 5 plus 2 by 7. 3 by 5 plus 2 by 7. First we denote 5 and 7. In this type of question, first we know the denominator. Denominator are 5 and 7. There are no common factors in 5 and 7. In this case of question, first we multiply 5 into 7. 5 into 7, that is 30. 5 into 7 equal 30. Okay. Then this question is 3 by 5. 3 by 5 into, we get the LCM, that is 35. 35. 35 divided 5. 35 divided 5. What is the answer? 35 divided by 5. That is 7. 7 into 5, 35. 7 into 5, 35. 7 multiplied by numerator and denominator. 35 divided 5. Answer is 7. 7 multiplied by the numerator and denominator. That is 3 into 7. 3 into 7, 21. Divided 5 into 7. That is 35. The answer is 21 by 35. The first one. Okay. 21 by 30. Then second one, 2 by 7. 2 by 7. The same as 3 by 5. 2 by 7. The LCM is 35. 35 divided 7. 35 divided 7. What is the answer? 5. 5 multiplied by numerator and denominator. Numerator and denominator. Then 2 into 5. 2 into 5. 10. 10 by 7 into 5. 7 into 5. That is 35. 7 into 5. 35. Then add 21 by 35. 21 by 35 plus 10 by 30. 10 by 35. The both denominators are same. That means 21 plus 10. 21 plus 10, 31. 31 by 35. 31 by 35. Okay. These are the answer of first one. Clear? Okay. Then another question is 7 by 10 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2. Another question. 7 by 10 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2. Denominators are 10, 5 and 2. 10, 5 and the same as previous question. The difference is 10, 5 and 2. First we find the LCM because 10 and 2 we know the common factors of 10 and 2. Okay. That means it is divided by 10 and 2. That means it is divided by 2. 10 divided by 2. 10 divided by 2. 5. Then 5 is not divisible, it is common. 5. Then 2. 2 divided by 2. 1. Then 5, 5, 1 is divisible by 5. 5 divided by 5, 1. 5 divided by 5, 1. Then 1. Okay. The LCM is 2 into 5. 2 into 5. This one is same. 2 into 5. That means 10. LCM is 10. Then first one is 7 by 10. 7 by 10. The LCM is 10. 10 divided 10. 10 divided 10. That is 1. 1 multiplied by numerator and denominator. Numerator and denominator. 10 divided by 10 is 1. 1 multiplied by numerator and denominator. That means 7 into 1, 7 by 10. 7 by 10. Another one is 2 by 5. 2 by 5. LCM is 10. 10 divided 5. 10 divided 5, Q. Q multiply numerator and denominator. 2 into 2, 4 by 5 into 2, 4. Another one is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 into 10 divided 2. 10 divided 2. 5. 10 divided 2, 5. 5 multiply numerator and denominator. Is 3 into 5, 15 by 2 into 5, 2 into 5, 10. Then add. What is the answer? Seven by 10 plus 4 by 10 plus 15 by 10. Then add. Denominator is 6. Then we add 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 15, that is 26. 26 by 10. 26 by 10. 26 by 10. This is the answer. Then we converted into the lowest form. That is 26 by 10 converted into lowest. 26 and 10, it is common, divided by simplest form. Convert into the simplest. That is divided by. That is answer is 26 divided 2. That is answer is 13. 13 by 10 divided 2. 5. Answer is 13 divided 5. Okay. Clear? Okay. Then another one is convert the numbers in the ascending or descending order. First we discuss descending order. Descending order. Descending order. Descending order. Descending order. Okay. Question is 2 by 5, 3 by 2, 6 by 5. These are the questions. You know descending order? Descending order means highest number to lowest number. In this type of question, first we find the LCM. Okay, LCM of 5, 2, 5, 5, 2, 5. 5, 2, 5. It is divided by 5. 5 divided by 5, 1, 2, 5 divided by 5, 1. Then 2, 1, 2 divided by 2, 1, 1. LCM is 5 into 2, 10. LCM is 10. LCM is 10. Then we find okay, 2 by 5. Same as the problem, same as the above problem. Okay, 2 by 5. 10 is LCM. 10 divided 5 is 2. 2 multiply numerator and denominator. 2 into 2, 4. 4 by 10. 4 by 10. Another one is 3 by 2. LCM is 10. 10 divided to 5. 5 multiply numerator and denominator. 3 into 5, 15. 15 by 2 into 5, 10. Another one is 6 by 5. 6 by 5 into 10 is LCM. 10 divided 5, 2. 2 multiply numerator and denominator. 6 into 2, 12. 12 by 10. These are the answers. But we find the descending order. Descending order. Descending order means biggest number to small. Which one is the biggest number? Both the denominator are same. We find the greatest number, that is 15 is the greatest number. That means 15 by 10. Another greatest number is 12. 12 by 10. Another one is 4 by 10. Clear? That means it is the form of descending order of this type of question. Sometimes the question may change into the ascending order. Ascending order the same as the numbers, but the difference is ascending order, smallest to largest, same as this type of questions. Okay, small changes, smallest to greatest, that is ascending order. Okay. Okay. Then in this chapter we discuss fractions, different types of fractions, and another the solving the fractions. Okay, solving the fractions. These are the important types of questions. Okay, then I will give like some questions in your note. These are first question. These are second question. This one is third. Okay. Then you write in your notebook. Okay. Then submit. Clear? Okay. Thank you.